Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SendGrid to deliver LinkedIn email campaigns from your site. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize SendGrid for delivering LinkedIn email campaigns from your site, begin by creating a SendGrid account. Visit the SendGrid website and click on Start for free. Fill out the registration form with your information to create an account. Once your account is created, log in to the SendGrid dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Click on API Keys from the drop-down menu. Press the Create API Key button. Give your API key a descriptive name for future reference. Set the permissions for this API key to full access. Click the Create and View button to generate your new API key. Be sure to copy the API key and store it securely, as you won't be able to view it again. Next, log into your LinkedIn account in a separate browser window. Go to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Select the account where you wish to create your email campaign. Click on Create Campaign to start a new project. Choose the email format you want for your campaign. Now, return to your SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to Integration in the sidebar. Select Webhooks under the Integration menu. Click on Event Webhook to set up tracking for your email events. In the webhook settings, enter the callback URL provided by LinkedIn. This allows LinkedIn to receive updates from SendGrid. Complete any additional fields required to finalize the integration. Once the webhook is set up, return to LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. Fill in the necessary details for your email campaign, including subject and content. In the email configuration settings, you will find an option to specify the sending domain. Enter the domain associated with your SendGrid account. Now, it is time to link your LinkedIn account to SendGrid. In the Campaign Manager, find the option for third-party integrations. Click on the SendGrid option to initiate the authorization process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.